The Tumut Aero Club, in conjunction with the aviation fuel supplier SkyFuel, have worked together to build and run the new fuel facility at Tumut Aerodrome. This facility is an automated card swipe system which operates on Visa, MasterCard or SkyFuel Carnet cards and operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The facility offers both avgas, which is suitable for the majority of ultralights and general aviation aircraft, and for the first time, aviation turbine fuel, better known as Jet A1, is available at Tumut. This enables a wider range of aircraft to utilise the Tumut Aerodrome and in turn provide the Tumut Shire with greater services for the community. One of the main benefits of the facility at the aerodrome is a greater ability for emergency services including the state emergency services, police, air ambulance, fixed and rotary wing firebombing aircraft as well as other vital services. This facility aids in faster response by these crews, which is an extra boost for the township of Tumut, as well as help the Tumut Airport to operate to a greater potential and increase tourism to the Shire. This partnership between the Tumut Aero Club and SkyFuel is based around offering a service to the community. The facility also aids the Tumut Aero Club to run and hold a wider range of aviation events for the community to enjoy, including fly-ins and aviation displays. It is through this work of Tumut Aero Club Incorporated is assisting the community of Tumut.